Alright boys, we just made it inside Carl's Jr. right now. Thank you. Bro, why is there 3 Sportivos outside? Hey yo YouTube, what's good? It's your boy Jaden, back in again with another video. Starting this vlog off, we're back in the White 03. And what is this weather, boys? It's been raining like this for the past week now, and apparently it's not going to stop anytime soon. We've got floods all over New South Wales, all these gutters are overflowing, so we better be careful driving this car because we don't want to suck up water through the pod filter. But right now we're heading down to the gym, get a quick workout in, and your boy's been staying pretty dedicated. So I guess starting from this video on, I'll be starting my 30-day body transformation. So this is what I look like right now. I've only been training for 2 months. So I'm pretty keen to see what I look like after a month.
Bruh.
Since it's a Sunday, I've already worked out every body part twice this week. So I like to keep Sundays as just a day to train whatever. I'm just a kid who's slowly getting into fitness, so I want to bring you guys with me and track my progress. Because going to the gym every day has slowly become one of my passions. I enjoy going, I don't think twice about going, so that's a good way to stay motivated if you enjoy it already. Bro, 1-4's crazy dropping this new song. It's the biggest G up before the gym. You rap to your friends at parties asking how do I sound on drill. And most of the cats just go with the flow cause half of them boys ain't real. 012 I've been in these streets and 021 I'm still in them still.
I got my peaches out in
Georgia, oh yeah shit.
I get my weed from California.
That's that shit.
I took my trip up to the north, yeah.
Badass bitch.
Said I wouldn't drink, but I did same day. Should I lie to your face like I always do? Said I was gonna change, bro.
Damien's here. Can't believe it. Alright boys, so we just made it to the gym, so I'll talk to you guys later.
My kindness is both a gift and curse. They were trying to knock me down for trying to make it work. All I'm trying to do is go and get what I deserve. But at least I know the truth is in my heart and that's for certain. Ooh, you don't see behind the curtain. People that I used to know trying to chase the Birkin. Bitches in my DMs that I knew that used to curve me. People I don't know on my Instagram lurking. Waiting for me to slip up. And if it wasn't love back then, it ain't love. Funny how they all so quick to change up. There is not a soul in this world I can't trust. Speculation, now speculation. You done gained a couple followers, congratulations. Way too much money that I'm making, and I'ma die behind mine. You won't ever take it, no.
Thank you. Bro, why is there 3 Sportivos outside? What the hell? Bro, what the hell? I just come outside and there's 2 Sportivos parked next to mine. Alright boys, we just made it inside Carl's Jr. right now. Bro, I don't even know what to buy. So this is what I ordered right here. Here with Damien.
I don't know, boys. Tell me if the California double cheeseburger is any good because I'm about to eat it.
So Damien got that.
Yeah.
He doesn't know if it's any good, but thank you.
Oh, wait. This is oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Thank you. Oh, that's yours. Alright, bro. Let's try this American cuisine right here. Oh, you got the chicken tenders? Oh. Ooh. Alright. Let's take a quick peek at this. But this wasn't cheap either, bro. It was like 18 bucks. This box ain't even opening, bro. Look at that. Wait, did you eat it yet? Not bad. Here's the tender and the ranch. Alright man, I'm gonna try this real quick. Whoa.
Meanwhile,
We are Office Works right now, just trying out the chairs. Look at this gaming one, bro.
These rip-off dips are racist, man.
Hey, the pink one suits you, bro. You should get that one, but 200 bucks. You get these cheap chairs from Office Works. That's the one I have right now, boys. It's the worst thing ever. Never buy that chair. Unless you want like leather flakes on your floor. We're back in the Sportivo right now. Just finished eating Carl's Jr. and honestly, it's pretty good.
Yeah, it's alright, it's alright.
Like, there's honestly better burger places, but pretty sure for American fast food, it's not too bad. I'd probably give it like solid 7 out of 10.
Yeah, I was gonna say the same, man. 7 out of 10.
7 out of 10. Cause yeah, it's not bad, but
to be honest, the patties, man, the patties was a letdown, surprisingly.
yeah, the patties wasn't
need more
the best.
flavor.
This guy wanna go out? She's got a durry in her mouth. Yeah, the patty was a letdown, but it definitely needs more flavor. My jalapeno one wasn't the best,
Yeah.
but not the worst burger. Like compared to Macca's,
To be honest, it's better than Macca's, eh?
better than Macca's. I feel like
Yeah.
anything's better than Macca's.
Yeah, straight up.
Macca's just tastes like artificial, bro. But KFC, we need to start like a rank, bro. American burger chains. Probably say the best burger I've ever eaten in Australia would be like Superior. Bro, should I just follow this guy?
Yeah, do it. I think these people in the line for the drive-thru.
Oh, facts.
Yeah.
Yeah, I ain't trying to line up through the drive-thru again.
Yeah, they are.
Oh, lucky, bro.
Yeah, to be honest, so far, Taco Bell, Carl Jr.'s, Carl Jr.
Bit of a letdown.
Bit of a letdown.
Yeah, honestly, Taco Bell as well. You could get better Mexican food, but it's just the name you're sort of paying for, I guess.
True. I don't know, but I got a feeling like these Aussie chains are just like straight,
Bootlegs.
yeah. Like it's not as good as the real thing.
Yeah, bro, we need to
Because-
just make a trip to America, honestly.
Straight out, because I don't know, it just feels like we're getting gypped.
Yeah, that's a fact.
These naive Aussies, bro, just humping on the bandwagon.
Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video if you stayed to the end. If you enjoyed, be sure to hit that like button. Make sure you subscribe if you're new and maybe leave a comment down below. Till next time guys, peace.
It's getting kinda late now. I should probably go home. I got way too lit last night. Still ended up on my own.